Howdy, y'all. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. And hey, we're now looking at the really, really nice two-bedroom here at the Alta Riverside, two-bedroom. So I'm just kind of showing it off a little bit. This is really a fun apartment. It's great for guests. I love the island. The island's got seats on two sides, so you don't need a table. You've got a really great washer dryer behind there. It's all included. I mean, then look at this beautiful kitchen. It's going to be a lot of fun in this kitchen. You're going to have a lot of fun with that kitchen. And then, hey, here is the really, really nice, the really, really pretty, really, really nice area here for the living room. It's really gorgeous. And then a really nice bedroom as well. Very spacious and really, really pretty. There's just everything about here is just so fun. You've got a lot of great features here. You're going to feel very pampered and fun in this apartment. And it's newer and nice and super cool. Hey, so if you're ready to take a more detailed tour of the Alta Riverside, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll take care of that for you. I'll go ahead and we can just chat. We can actually set up a multi-tour even with FaceTime or Zoom. You could see 3 or 4 different apartments because we help with all the best, and then decide, virtually or even set up a live tour. So I look forward to hearing from you. Send me a text and just say hi, and we'll kind of chat from there. My number's below.